You want to unbox your airplane? Huh? The aircraft? No? Aircraft. Zero aircraft. We'll see what's inside, okay? Uh-oh, the other side. Connect. Wow, airplane. Where's the wing? Here. Put it there. It needs batteries, Zido. I don't know which, how many. We'll see, okay? Oh, no, see? No battery. We have to remove first. But first, we have to assemble the wings. Come here, sit here. Where are you going? Where are you going? Come here. You want to vlog or not? Go there. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Come here. Where are you going? Come here, this side. Here. Where are you going, Zido? Zido, where are you going? Come here. Why are you there? Are you scared? Why are you inside the tent? This is not the helicopter. This is airplane. This is different. Why are you scared with the helicopter and the airplane? Huh? Come here. Namama ng unbox, eh? What? Oh, it's here, the other side. It's like this, I think. We'll see. We'll find out because it's just new. We don't know yet. Uh-oh, I don't know. I think like this. Oh. Other side. Uh-oh, I think I need something. I don't know what to put here. Zaid is scared of airplane. I don't know why. So Mama is the only one who's unboxing. I mean assembling his airplane. Come here, Zido. No? No, it's okay. So we need to put batteries, okay? So we put some batteries. 3 batteries needed, Zido. The wings are easily get removed. I don't know why it's not. Fix. Uh-oh, why it keeps on dropping? Uh-oh. We'll try first. Uh-oh. So, okay. What's up? Mama. Oh, you remove your feet. Why you put your feet there? Come here. Nice. It will turn. I will move it here. Nice? Huh? Go play with it, Zido. Go get the airplane. Put the airplane here. Come here, why are you scared? Dali. Nice, right? Do you like it?